In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics on an ActiveCampaign landing page. Whether you're tracking your website traffic more effectively or getting insights into your audience behavior, Google Analytics is an invaluable tool for digital marketers. Installing it on your ActiveCampaign landing page is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step. First, let's head over to ActiveCampaign. You'll want to log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard, which is the main hub of your ActiveCampaign activities and features. From there, navigate to the website section. This section is where you can manage all your site-related activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options, as this is where most of your web-related configurations will be accessed. Next, you'll want to click on Pages. This is where all your landing pages are currently hosted. Here you can view and manage every landing page you've created under your ActiveCampaign account. If you have multiple pages, identify the one where you'd like to install Google Analytics. It's important to ensure that you're working on the correct page, as changes will directly impact the data you collect and analyze. Once you've selected your landing page, look for an option to highlight. This feature is typically designed to make distinctive elements on your landing page stand out, but you need it as a prerequisite for adding new elements. Clicking on Highlight essentially allows you to access the settings required to install the code. Now click on View Page Settings. Doing so opens up more detailed settings for your selected landing page. These settings allow you to tailor your page to better fit your business goals and the needs of your marketing strategies. Make sure to go through each setting, as being familiar with these options will help maximize your site's efficiency. Following this, select the Custom Code option from the available settings. This is where you'll input any specific scripts or custom code that you want to implement on your page. It's a powerful feature that lets developers and marketers enhance their site's functionality by inserting specialized code snippets. Finally, to place your Google Analytics script, locate the header section within the Custom Code page and paste your Google Analytics tracking code there. It's crucial you use the correct snippet provided by your analytics account. Any mistakes can result in data not being tracked properly. After pasting the code, remember to hit Save. This final step commits your changes, ensuring that Google Analytics is now tracking the activity on your landing page. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Google Analytics on your ActiveCampaign landing page. By following these instructions, you should start receiving valuable data on your website's performance in no time. Happy analyzing, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and keep optimizing your digital strategy.